The Coach app, Men's Health and Kegel, Workout and Pelvic Floor app. So here you can see improve intimate health naturally, follow a step-by-step daily plan, train key muscles for men's health, master skills that truly matter. So the Coach is personalized wellness app for men focused on improving physical strength, energy levels, and healthy daily habits. Last longer protocol, keep it strong protocol, testosterone optimization protocol, subscription terms. So here you can just tap get and then just double click to install it. Yes, this is the app. Has 4.5 thousand ratings, which is quite a lot for this type of app. It's not in the top charts, but yeah, it's getting a lot of ratings. So you can there are other apps which are focusing specifically on Kegel exercises, and you can see it in here. So give it a try.